So today I am going to show you how to download XAMPP and how to install XAMPP. So take a note of this URL, okay? Take a look at it closely and go to this URL and go to the download.html link there. There you will find there are different versions of XAMPP available. So choose the version that works for your operating system. For example, if you have Windows, choose one of these. You can choose this one, for example, okay? Or if you have Linux, you can choose this. If you have Apple's OS X, then you can choose something from here, okay? Say this one. If you have Linux, you can choose maybe this one, okay? So I just wanted to show you that this is the first step that you need to do, download this. Okay, then go to your downloads folder and you will see the XAMPP download there. This is the XAMPP installer. Right click on this, okay? Right click on this and say run as administrator, and then follow the prompts. If you need to provide a password, do that and just follow the prompts and run this process to the end, okay? So this will complete your XAMPP installation. For example, you may get this prompt, so give it a reading, but just don't get scared by what it says, okay? Just say okay and you will get the screen. Then say next, okay? Don't change anything here. Do next. Let it choose this folder, that's fine, okay? And then say next, okay? In my case, there's already an installation there, that is why I'm getting this message. But in your case, once you do this, you should be fine, okay? So go ahead and complete this process and you will have a clean installation of XAMPP.